In this video, I want to show you how to trade manually in the Fix API terminal. First, open a chart for any currency pair and select the time frame you want to use. Then click OK. Now the chart is open. At the top of the chart, you can see a list of available time frames. You can switch from one time frame to another at any time. You can also choose how you want the chart to be displayed: as candlesticks, as a line chart, or as bars, like in this example. Next, we have the list of indicators. If you want to use indicators, you can select one of the standard indicators available in the terminal. You can also add your own custom indicator if you have the MQL4 or MQL5 source code. Here, I have applied an indicator, and as you can see, it appears in the lower part of the chart as an oscillator. Now, I will show you how to place a trade manually. Right-click on the chart and select Open Order. A new order window will appear. In this window, you can open a buy or sell order, choose the order type supported by your Fix API connection, and set the order parameters. Here is the order window. At the moment, the order size is set to 0.01. I will intentionally show you what happens if the contract size is configured incorrectly. We have already explained contract settings before, but I want to mention it one more time because it is very important. I click Send, and the terminal shows an error saying that the order size is incorrect. Why does this happen? For currency pairs on Fix API accounts, the minimum order size is usually 1,000 units, which is equivalent to 0.01 lots in MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For CFDs and metals, you need to ask your broker for the symbol specification documentation. Then you need to configure the symbol settings table, which I have just opened. In this table, you can set the contract size, the minimum order size, the maximum order size, and the order step. For example, I will set the contract size for euros to 100,000. In this case, 0.01 lots will correctly correspond to 1,000 units. This is the correct contract size for this Fix API broker. However, you should always confirm these parameters with each broker individually, as the values may differ from broker to broker. Now I set the order size to 0.01, click Send, and the order is opened in the terminal. Next, I will open cTrader to check whether the order was also opened there. As you can see, we are currently using a Fix API connection to cTrader, and the order has also appeared in cTrader. After that, I can right-click on the order in the terminal. From here, I can either modify the order or close it. I select Close Order, and the order is closed in both the Fix API terminal and cTrader. So this was a quick demonstration of how you can trade manually in the Fix API terminal. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to work with the Fix API terminal.